What's good, Miss Delta? Are you playing Call of Duty or are you playing Fortnite? What's up, exclusive? Hey, Busty, tap that screen, y'all. As you come in, tap the screen. Let's get to 1,000 right away. Oi all day, how's it going? You playing today, Oi all day? She loves Colton. What's up, Rock? Oh, Colton, is this your new account? What happened to your other account? Signal cut out again. What the heck? It's so cloudy. Says you're lagging bad. Yeah, with the section. Colton, is that your new account right here? What happened to your old account? Said you got banned. Hey Zach, this is Colton. This is my new account. My other one got banned. What happened? Why did they ban you? What's up, Corey? Nice morning walk. That's right, exclusive. How you doing? Cage said, hey Pookie Wookie. Oh my god. What's up, Cage? Thank you for letting me know about Colton. Oi all day says, Rock, why you don't play GTA anymore? Because it got boring after you beat the game. It's boring. It got boring after you beat the game. I'm waiting for the number 6 to come out. Next year, I guess. Oh, you don't know? Colton doesn't know why you got banned? Okay. Thank you, Corey. Said it's good now. All day says so you don't play online. I play online, but I guess it's boring too. There's only like a few people that get in the lobby. What is it, like 30 people per lobby? No, I have the online version. I just got bored. All day says, dang, yeah, I know. I'm waiting for the new one. When the new one comes out, I'll stream that one. Right now I just have Call of Duty and Fortnite and Roblox. But Roblox is super boring. So I just stick to Fortnite. Use my code Rock Mercury in the item shop. Thank you for 1.4 thousand likes already. Zach says, do you know when the lava hand is appearing in Fort? Oh no, I don't know. We're already on the third day of March. It's crazy. I can't believe it. Huh? Second? Oh, we're in the second day. That's right, because we were up late last night. I thought yesterday was second. Yeah, but we're already on the second day of March. Kay says get on LO dropping. Colton says you're gonna get the new college 25 when it come out. What is that? What even is that?
No.
What is college 25? Okay. All day says when I buy the Scrabble, for some reason they don't use your code. The Scrabble? What is that? Aren't you able? Oh, the Scrabble dance. Your code didn't go in. My code didn't go in. Did you try it? Hold on. Y'all want to see the lake today? We already got to 1,000 likes, 1.8 thousand likes. He said, yeah, I try it. I have to put it back in. Oh, okay, yeah, it changes every 14 days. It takes it off. You gotta switch it out. It just like expires. Yeah, put it all back in. He said the football game where it's only college teams and I'm gonna buy it when it comes out. Oh, okay. You know, I don't really like football or care about it, but I mean, so I'm not gonna buy it, but good for you. Kay says I dropped a money gun to someone that beat me in Rainbow. Colton dropped one too. Oh wow, that's nice. Let's do the lake, you guys. Lake time. I'm gonna get the baby a snack right now. Let me show you the lake. He does the pouch first. Can you open the pouch for him? Close to what?
Water. I'm gonna go over there and
That's
sit
close.
next.
This is close to the water?
Well, for a stroller, that's a stroller. I'm gonna sit down.
All right. He said, dang, the water's murky. Yeah, it depends on the day. Depends on the day. I don't get in it. I just come to look at it. It's pretty. Kay said, thumping. Why is the lake brown? It's a lake. Sometimes lakes are brown. You know, there's mud under here. Just like, sometimes it's kind of bluer though. Ms. Delta said, I heard there's bad fires in Texas right now. Yeah, there is. Not where I'm at though. Yeah, there's some really bad fires. Almost look like California fires, but more flat. Because like California has fires in the mountains. Flip the camera again. Colton said, TikTok universe if you jump in. Send the universe first. All Day said, my classmates moved to Texas yesterday. Oh, what part of Texas did they move to? Ms. Delta says, stay safe. They say the wind is making it spread fast. Yeah, we're in Houston though. Texas is giant. It's the biggest state in America. So I think it's on the west side. We're on the southeast side. I think it's West Texas, yeah. It's like super flat and super dry over there. Very scary. I saw some of the pictures. Like we don't even like see any of the smoke or anything from that fire. Very, very scary though. Terrifying. But thank you, Miss Delta. I appreciate you. Praise the sunset, do the roar. What the heck is the roar? All Day said, I don't know. She just said Texas. Oh, I mean, she should tell you where because there's so many places where she moved. She must have moved. What's up, Nick? Thank you for joining. Charlie said, it's hazardous. Where are you going? We're just taking a nice walk. Who else is going to get that game, the football game? What y'all up to today? Y'all have breakfast already? I had a smoothie while I was like putting dishes away. So I was trying to upload videos. I downloaded the videos, now I'm uploading. I was trying to upload some more to YouTube and stuff. Kate says, hold on, I'm recharging. Me says, and I am too. All Day says, me, I'm ready for it. Awesome. Miss Delta, thank you for liking the live. Y'all, we're at 2.3 thousand likes. All Day said that college football 25, yep. It's the vibe out today. Thank you for sharing the live, Miss Delta. Are you ready for the game?
It's gonna litter, huh?
It's empty? I'll take it. Really easy to throw it.
Crunchy now?
Yeah, well, I mean, when we walk again.
Okay, he's looking for like maybe something to drink.
We can start walking more. He knows the crunchies next.
Okay.
Usually I give him a walking the other way.
All right.
Start walking.
You got him?
Yeah. I don't drink my drink until after I get off live. When we get back to the area where it goes off. Well, they said about to be on it all day. Oh, whoa. Y'all really like the college football teams that much? I feel like they would go in and out so often. Those teams just come in, like people come in. Kay said, you ready to jump in? Send that universe. I got the coins. You're sending a whole universe? Get that universe ready. Zach says jump in. Do a flip. Oh my gosh. Do a flip in. Well, they says, Rock, you gonna get me in a match with you? Sure. Kate said, do you want a uni or Zeus or something like that? I want a Zeus.
Want to give it a try?
You want to?
Sure.
This is very dusty. It looks very dirty. I don't know. You do.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's see if he goes. You could send a cage, but I'm not jumping in the lake. But you can send it and I'll be very happy and I'll post to you and I'll tag you. I'll tag you in the video. Hold up, gotta scream new chord. He said, bruh, what? I'm not about to jump in a lake. Are you serious? You should send it because you're supporting me. Why would I jump in a lake? He didn't have any shoes on. Maybe not. Maybe it's not the right time. Boy all day, thank you for the emotes. I said, boy, that's $500 right there. That will get you into the game ranking. That'd be awesome. I love using the email. Thank you so much, Boy all day. What's up, James? How's it going? Cage is about to gift to Zeus or Universe. Cage, which one are you gifting? Zach said jump in. I'm not jumping in there. James says you need more than 500 to get into gaming rankings. I don't know why they said that then. Zach says only if he jumps in. No, I'm not jumping in anywhere. You should just send it because you support me. Why would I have to jump in a lake? That's crazy. That's very racist. On the month after, it's a few days after Black History Month. You want me to go into the water? James says, who's gonna gift it? Cage. He said he recharged. But now I think he's backing out. He's backing out now. But I never got a Universe or Zeus. So I want to see this. I don't know. He's probably backing out. G says, what's good, Rock? How's it going? It's going okay, G. How about yourself? How'd the teacher situation go? Zach says go down the slide. I'm too big for this slide. I'm not going down the slide. Exotic said he's not sending it. He's probably gone by now, isn't he? Let's see if he's even here still. He's gone. He trolled us. G said my parents find out Monday. Okay. Don't let it affect you. Don't let it affect you. Oh, they said make Zach proud. Make Zach proud where? How? Miss Delta. Thank you for liking. All right. Well, G trolled us. Well, they said I'm by going down the slide and jumping into the water. No, we're not doing that. What's your favorite sports? Fortnite. Fortnite's my favorite sport. Thank you, Argent. What's up, your boy G? So what happened? What happened when? Oh, he said he's gonna gift a Universe or Zeus, but he's not gonna gift it. G said what happened? Yeah. He's trying to get me to go down the lake or something. So we're going to the lake. That's what I'm not doing. How about you hit a domino dance for us? How about you gift me something? What the heck? Ask me stuff, not even gifting. That's trash. So many people in here and like 0 gifts, so I don't want to hear anything about anything. Oh, they said, nah, Zach, you got told. Mm-hmm.
You gotta hold on.
But whatever. Zach said, I select so with the others. Nope. Exotic said domino dance. Domino your money, whatever. Domino your gifts, whatever. I don't know, whatever. I don't care. I'm not doing any of that. What else y'all up to? Zach says, I praise you, Lord Rock. Okay. Oil Day says solid, be quiet. That's a great thing to say, Oil Day. Great thing to say. I wonder if this swing will hold me. I'm on the swing, y'all. Zach says, dang.
Hey, man, look at that little smile.
Don't you be muting Oil Day for telling you the truth. Oil Day told you the truth. He's a subscriber. Why are you muting him?
You ready to get out?
You unmute him.
He ain't swinging. All right, you ready? A little different, huh?
They thought I said be mad annoying. No, he was just telling you the truth.
Come on, let's get out.
He's just telling you the truth about what you
Let me see your face. Something big in there. Look, get him.
said that's cold. Yeah, that's cold. How you gonna do that? How's he gonna go over there and mute you for telling you the truth? Exotic says always starting something. Oil Day says he's trying to show off his mod. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's not right. All day you just mad. Yeah. Anyway, what's up? What else is going on? Now that we're over being trolled by Cage. Oil Day said I'm on the waiting list, so I'm not mod. Yeah, you're on the waiting list.
He saw the snap. He already knew. Can you go like 8 for me, Maya?
Yeah. Exotic says it's gonna take 6 years to get that mod. Oh, that's funny. 6 years of consistency. $2,900, y'all. Let's get to 3,000.
Definitely need to be cleaned off. There's some of the webs I had to remove quite a bit.
Should we tell the maintenance team?
I mean, it's spiders. I mean,
No, there's like dust on there too. Like it should get wiped down like once a week or something.
it's nature.
Yeah, but shouldn't it get wiped down? For all the money, for all the HOA money.
Probably if you want to, it's just not realistic. Golly, something got me.
Oil Day said I'm better than you at Fortnite Solid. How do you know? Exotic said I don't care, it's a game. Oh wow. Alrighty. Have y'all played each other? That's good, Sarah. We're at 3,000 likes. Can we get to 4,000 before the walk-ins? We had 24,000 yesterday. Zach said, I get on every hour so I can see the Pandora box event thingy. Oh, what does it do? What happens in the event? Who's seen it already? So I want to get on in the hour to see it too. Or when the hour changes. Zach says, I don't know. How do you mean I don't know? I didn't see it? Oh, you didn't see it either? Why'd you say you get on every hour? It starts at 1 p.m.? Okay. Might change in 7 minutes. Okay, let me know what happens if you do see it. And somebody send me a video on TikTok, like a video of somebody else recording it. Timberwolves? What's Timberwolves? Timberwolves what? Y'all keep that likes going up. We're still at 3,000. Let's get to at least 4,000. Timberwolves on top. Who's that? What team is that? Oh, they're a basketball team? Oh. Let's see. Zach's profile? Oh, okay. I don't care. They're not paying me. It's a basketball team from Minnesota. Oh, okay, gotcha. Well, good for them. That they're on top or whatever. Alright. Let's go and turn over here. There's more bugs on this side. We'll head back this way. More bugs. No GSW on top. Who's GSW? Oil Day says not LA. It's only because of Curry. Oh, Golden State. Oh. I don't care anything about any of this. What else is going on? I wonder if all the new god skins, the new Greek god skins, are going to be in the battle pass or just separate in the shop. Zach says honestly the Celtics probably the best right now. I don't know, don't care. Oil Day says no, I love everyone. The golds. Okay, I'll let y'all just talk about that.
Can we give him the cracker?
Oh yeah, just one of them. We can do it walking. The bugs will come get us. Oh, Exotic said it'll be in the battle pass. Zach says Oi Dragons has anger issues. Oh really? Playboy said the sun's doing good right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not doing good now. Y'all, we're still at 3,000. Come on, why aren't y'all tapping? What's going on? What y'all doing? Get your hands out your derriere and tap the screen. Whew. Thank you, Playboy, for liking the live. What's up, legend? Now we're at 3.1. Oil Day said my hand, not in my ear, though. No, not the ear. I said it's in your derriere. Playboy said no problem, Rock. Thank you, Playboy. The live is gonna end pretty soon because we're about to get to the section where it cuts out. Legend says nothing much. You for walking nice out. Yeah, nice. Sorry, nice out. Yes, it's nice out. Yeah. JB says, what are you doing? Just walking. Just walking. How much do you think it'll be to rent that place? Right there. I don't know yet. JB says, what are you? Oh, sorry. All right, who's gonna be on when I get on for the next games? I gotta make my salad first and everything. You done with your snack already? Mm-hmm. Time to fix the wall. Okay. Exada said me, you are going to be. Okay, Oil Day said him too. We gotta get Oil Day in this time. Level Straddle, okay. We get Oil Day in. Playboy says, wanna play some Fort later, Rock? Yeah, I plan on it. Let's get to the 100 subs. If you already have a sub and you can gift a sub, start gifting subs to people so we can get to that 100 goal, and we'll do the 1,000 V-Buck giveaway based on who wins the competition of the creative, who wins the creative matches. It'd be like 10 chances. Just hope that Screwy doesn't get in the game. If Screwy's in, it's gonna be rough for y'all. He won last time. Zach said lobbies sweaty AF. What lobbies are you in? Oh, build? You gonna build lobbies? Are you solo build or with the random teams? Oil Day always says, Rock, why don't you post you doing TikTok dances too? Post doing TikTok dances? I don't know. Maybe I should, I don't know.
A lot of bug jobs today.
You're doing solo, Zach, I see. All right, I'm gonna get off now, y'all, because the signal's gonna go out right in a moment. So thank y'all for 3.4 thousand. We didn't reach 4,000, we got 3.4. That's pretty decent. That's how many people came in. Exada said bye. 292. 292, so we gotta get those likes up and share. Well, as soon as we go live, just share and like. We gotta boost everything up, y'all. If we're ever gonna reach. We didn't get any gifts at all. 0 diamonds. That's trash. But anyways, Cage faked us. See you guys later. Bye.